Hello, beautiful planner people. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and I have a brand new subscription to share with you guys today. This is a sticker subscription from Vanilla Paper Co. I had some of her kits in the past, and since I thought I wasn't going to be getting a Harriet Wright Designs kit this month, I decided to give her a try. Her subscription runs about $20. I can't remember if that includes shipping or not, so there might be an additional shipping cost. And then for your $20, you get a 6-paged foil kit as well as matching bow headers and icons. And then you're supposed to get 4 foiled 1/4 page. I don't know if it's a deco or scripts or something, but it'll be in all 4 foils. So you'll get a gold, rose gold, silver, and hollow, which is kind of nice. And it feels like you're getting a lot for your money, so we'll have to see. The artwork inside, like these kits do not come to her normal shop, so there's a aspect of exclusivity in these, which is kind of fun to get something that is almost like a limited edition. And then the only other thing I wanted to tell you about these before we opened it is, so enrollment is generally the 1st through the 7th of the month, and then she ships out on the 15th, which, considering if you make a normal order from her, it takes up to 6 weeks for it to ship to you. That's kind of awesome if you really like her kits, because you're getting them on a monthly basis and much faster. So, all right, I think that's everything. So we're going to just open it up and see what's inside. I will say that I think my mail person bent it just a little bit, so I'm hoping the stickers are fine. Okay. Peachy colors. Ooh. Okay, I think that's everything right there. I will say that this little sampler right here, I love that. That's really nice. Let me zoom you in just a little bit and we'll take everything out and take a look. Okay, so this one is called Simply Autumn Kit Plus, which is what she calls her subscription kits. Subscription August 2021. It's nice that she puts all that information there so you don't go, oh, which kit do I get? Okay, so I have this little freebie, which is adorable, and it looks to be in rose gold, which I think is the foiling for everything here. And I love just these little tree branches are adorable. Okay, and so here's my glitter headers. Pretty standard, and this is the deco sheet with a couple more variety of bow headers there. Oh, this must be the sheet. Oh, I like this. This is super useful, especially with fall. Oh my gosh, I love that. These boxes are awesome. And the fact that you have a variety of different, not only foils, but designs. So, okay, it looks like these top ones are not full boxes. So you have a top box type element and a bottom box element, so you can use those in a lot of different ways. You can make your box on your page, you can use them above and below a box that already exists, or like this on the page to kind of make your own box, which is really cool. And the same for these. The bottom two are full boxes, which is really nice. It almost looks like a combination of the 2 elements, so those are cool. So I'll definitely say that's a really nice feature. Okay, and here is our kit, Simply Autumn, which these colors are really, really nice. I love the autumn script here. I love the apple pie, because apple pie and hot chocolate are like, they're just fall to me. And the umbrella with all of these leaves blowing in the wind, I love the leaves. Matter of fact, I think I have deco that matches this. I don't remember if it's in the right foil color though. And then we have kind of our decorative boxes down here, some functionals with some really cute deco there, and some very functional scripts here. Then we have our check boxes page. And then we have all of our decorative boxes here with our bill dues and these scallops at the bottom, which are really, really nice. And then we have all of our to-dos, all of our todays, extras, and then we have to clean, workout, this week, dinners, next week, and birthdays. And then you also have, it looks like 7 icons for marking like dinners here. You have a bunch of shows, some packages, mail, your phone, just a generic little thumbtack, and a bow, groceries, and a laptop, which is really nice. And then here's our bottom washi. Ooh, I really like this. That is a gorgeous flower pattern. And then here is our day headers. You know, for $20, I'm really happy with this kit because her quality is pretty good and I like her designs. So I might end up keeping this like as a subscription, at least for a couple months, and see how I feel about it and how it stacks up against the Harriet Wright Designs ones that I usually get, which she reopened hers today. So hers are 15 pounds, and I know the kit has changed slightly, so I'm excited to see how that one goes too. So anyhow, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it helps you decide whether or not you want to try Vanilla Paper Co.'s own subscription. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if this video was helpful to you. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the kit or anything else. If you enjoy planning videos like this, as well as Plan With Me's and such, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.